Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to connect and pair S Pen with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Setup and troubleshooting guide. Connect and set up the S Pen. Step 1. Remove the S Pen. Press the S Pen inward from the bottom of the phone. Pull it out completely. The Air command menu should appear automatically. Step 2. Enable S Pen features. Open Settings, tap Advanced Features, select S Pen. Turn on the features you want, such as Air Command, Screen Off Memo, Air View, Write and Calendar. Step 3. Test the S Pen. Open Samsung Notes, write or draw on the screen. Hover the pen over icons to test Air View features. Troubleshooting S Pen issues. Step 1. Reinsert the S Pen. Insert the S Pen fully into the phone. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Remove it again and check if it responds. Samsung recommends reinserting the pen to re-establish the connection between the device and S Pen. Step 2. Restart the phone. Hold the power and volume down buttons. Tap Restart. Test the S Pen again after the reboot. Step 3. Check for magnetic cases. Remove any magnetic case, wallet or magnetic accessory. These can interfere with S Pen detection and writing accuracy. Community reports frequently identify magnetic accessories as a cause of S Pen issues. Step 4. Update software. Open Settings, tap Software Update, select Download and Install. Install any available updates. Step 5. Run Samsung Diagnostics. Open the Samsung Members app, tap Support, select Phone Diagnostics, run the S Pen test. Step 6. Check the pen tip. Inspect the S Pen tip for damage or excessive wear. Replace the tip if necessary. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.